Next section, thinking and its implication in nursing. Nursing assessment of thinking is essential to detect the disease. Mental status examination is part of nursing assessment. Assessment of thinking helps to accurate nursing diagnosis, to find the causes of diseases and identify the needs of the client. Next, nursing care. The assessment of thinking helps to nurses for client-oriented care. Nursing plan. Care plan depends on psychological status of client. Client-oriented nursing plan. Cure and therapy. The treatment plan based on thinking of the client. In psychiatry, psychotherapy. The method of treatment. The change the thinking can cure the disease. Prevention. Positive thinking helps to prevent disease such as stress, depression and non-communicable diseases. Promotion. To promote existing health, positive thinking is essential. Nursing management. To manage the subordinate nurse, to control the chronic disease as well as chronic disease management, to promote positive thinking is important. Nursing education. To successful education, provide to the student nurses. The study of thinking is very useful to nurses. To nursing intervention. Nursing intervention study of thinking is very useful. Counseling. For counseling and guidance to client, the study of thinking is important to nurses. Health education depends on mental status of client, also thinking of client. Nursing research, study of thinking useful to nurse to conduct research on every discipline. Problem formulation and hypothesis making, etc. Application of thinking in nursing specialties. Thinking has been applied in every nursing disciplines. First, apply to maternal health nursing. Psychological support provide to mothers, assess the mental status of mother, mainly measure type of thinking, measure thinking of mothers, detect mental health problems during motherhood and enhance self-confidence, counseling and guidance give to mother, pain management during delivery, postnatal, sex education, health education, etc. Apply to child health nursing. The thinking should be applied to study mental growth and development of children. Identify behavioral disorders, diagnosis, childhood psychological problems, child psychiatry, treat these personality disorders, provide counseling to prevent child abuse, detect learning problems and thinking problems, promote mental health. Applied to medical surgical nursing. Assess mental status of client. Support to diagnose the diseases. Management of chronic diseases. Prevent non-communicable diseases. Pain management. Surgery. To know the attitude of client. To counseling and guidance to chronic diseases. The thinking applied to mental health nursing. Mental status examination. Detect the mental health problems. Diagnose the causes of mental disorders. Psychotherapy, cognitive therapy, counseling and guidance to prevent mental health problems, promote mental hygiene, develop mental culture. Thinking applied to community health nursing. Social psychology studies the psychology of community. Community psychiatry identify mental health problems in the community due to thinking, help to educate the community, promote positive thinking, family counseling and guidance, provide health education, promote green psychosocial environment. Conclusion. Hence, study of thinking. The concepts such as thinking, reasoning, decision making, problem solving, etc. affect or influence health status of people. For example, positive thinking promote pleasant health. Negative thinking cause diseases. Promote intellectual development. Psychological medicine. Every concept uses a medicine. For example, thinking is a medicine to treat various diseases. It is a mode of psychotherapy to treat mental illness. Essential to apply to every aspect of nursing. Every functions of nursing should be applied, including care, cure, prevention, promotion, rehabilitation. Solve problems. Mainly solve healthcare problems. Also solve the social problems. For mental hygiene and physical health. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.